Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, ayon sa kanyang pahayag, ukol sa reklamong impeachment complaint laban kay VP Sara. Aniya na dapat wala raw itong ikabahala dahil lahat naman raw sila nakakatanggap ng mga babalang impeachment at hindi raw deserving na ma-impeach si VP Sara at ayaw niyang ma-impeach ito. Pero ang kanyang mga pahayag ay mukhang hindi yata solido dahil ang mga katagang ginamit niya ay parang walang bakas na pagkabahala at hindi man lang sinabing, "I don't allow her to be impeached."
I just want to know what are your thoughts or reaction on the impeachment talks against Vice President Sara Duterte?
Well, lahat naman kami merong ganyan eh. So I don't think it's particularly unusual. I don't think it's particularly worrisome. You know, there will always be an element that will want to change the results of an election. So, of course, binabantayan namin na mabuti because we don't want her to be impeached. We don't want her to, she does not deserve to be impeached. So, we will make sure that this is something that we will pay very close attention to. You know, the declarations of impeachment, parang lahat naman ng presidente ini-impeach. Ngayon, Vice President pa. So I guess it's just a continuing evolution of that thinking na basta ayaw namin dyan, tanggalin natin, impeach natin. Wala naman siguro at wala naman sigurong dahilan kung hindi lang ayaw sa amin. That's not a reason to be impeached.
At aniya ay hindi pa raw nabubuhag ang UNITEAM.
So, sir, wala pong unity crackdown na tinatawag.
Na?
Unity crack.
I don't think so. Mas tumitibay nga eh. Dumadami yung pumupunta sa lakas, dumadami yung pumupunta sa PFP. We are consolidating the UNITEAM. It's actually become bigger and stronger than it was before. So, ayan, wishful thinking. These are the same people that talk about impeachment. They are also the same people that, wala na, nagbaklas-baklas na yung UNITEAM. Hindi totoo yun. Tingnan na lang ninyo mga political developments in the past few months.
Totoo kaya ang kanyang mga pahayag na walang baklasan, ubuo pa rin ang UNITEAM? Kaya marami raw itong nagsibalikan o nagsilipatan? O hindi kaya alam na nila kung gaano kalakas si VP Sara? Kaya ito ay naglaylo at bumubuelo dahil ang kanilang mga alas na si Raffy Tulfo at si Romualdez ay sirang-sira na. Kaya balik kambyo, VP Sara uli. Kaya VP Sara, dapat mong malaman ito. At mag-ingat ka sa iyong mga nakapaligid dahil talagang tutuklawin ka nila ng buong buo.
Sir, last time, how's your relationship with her po? With Sara? How's your relationship?
Excellent. We on a professional level, I have nothing but good things to say about the work that she's done in the Department of Education. On a very personal level, we get along very well because you cannot campaign for how many months was that? We were campaigning together without getting to know each other very well. And it turns out that we are very different in many ways and we're very similar in many ways. But that makes for a good friendship.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Totoo kaya ang kanyang mga sinasabi? Pero ayon sa kanyang pagbumukha, ay mukhang hindi sincero. Kaya VP Sara, huwag ka nang magpabola uli. Kay Junior, kayo ba ay magpapabola uli? Comment down. Nag-uulat, what's new? Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, follow, and share, huwag niyong kalimutan na tangkilikin upang patuloy na makapaghatid ako ng magandang balita.